which of the following are functions. So here four options are given. Let's check out this problem by using the graph. First one, y square is equal to x. So this is y square is equal to x graph, and by using your vertical line test, so if any line is drawn parallel to y-axis, if it cuts at more than one point, then we can say that given relation is not a function. So here we can see that a vertical line is drawn. It cuts at 2 points for a particular value of x, which means that for one value of x here, say x is equal to some a, so we are getting two values. Say this is b1 and say this is b2. Means for x is equal to a, you are getting two images, so which is not possible in functions. According to the definition, it must have unique image. So this condition is failed. So first one we can say this is not a function. So this relation is not a function. And coming to the second one, y is equal to mod x, where x comma y belongs to R, and here we can see the graph. So mod x graph can be taken. So this is your mod x graph, and let's apply the same principle here, vertical line test. If any line vertical line is drawn parallel to y-axis, anywhere you draw for all the real numbers, so we can observe that it cuts at only one point anywhere. Means for a value of x you are getting unique value. Means for x is equal to a, for x is equal to a, you are getting only one image, so unique image. And for every value of x, and for every value of x also the function is defined. So the domain is here, x belongs to R and y belongs to R. For every value of x the function is defined, and also you are getting a unique image. So we can say that this function, this option B is a function. And let's also check for the option C and option D. So anyhow we got the answer B, but let's check with the option C and D. Option C, x square plus y square is equal to 1. Clearly it is a circle. We can say this is a circle, and if I draw on one line, vertical line parallel to y-axis, for a particular value of x here, we can observe that for x is equal to a, it cuts at 2 points, say b1 and b2. For x is equal to a, we are having two images, b1 and b2, and hence we can say this is not a function. And coming to the option D, and option D, it is given x square minus y square is equal to 1. So this is a hyperbola. So x square minus y square is equal to 1. So here it is 1. And here also we can observe that any vertical line is drawn parallel to y-axis, it cuts at more than one point. So for x is equal to a, 2 points are there. two values of y, and hence we can say that this is also not a function. So among the four options, option B is the only one relation which is a function.